From London streets to Kigali dreams, this one is love, respect, unity, for Arsenal, for our Rwanda.
I was born in London but my heart beats red. Gunners in my blood, every word I say. Mama told me stories about a land so bright. No wonder ain't no soul shining like a light. They said back in 2004 we rose so high. Invincible season, yeah, we touched the sky. I wasn't even born, but I feel that flame. Now we champions again, yeah, we back in the game. Ndishimye cyane umutima y'urabina. Aseno yanje nyo mu maraso yanje rose. Iyo ndewi bigendera umutuku n'umweru. Numva hari urukundo rutazigera rushira. Oh, I said now, you made me believe. From London to Kigali, I saw shaka ni wowe. We waited so long, now we finally see igikombe cyaraje. Turi kumwe forever. Oh, Perezida wacu turagushimira. Paul Kagame uri umwe muri twe. You love us now, just like me. That connection means everywhere. I heard the president loves the team I adore. That made me love this club even more. Paul Kagame, respect from my side. Ubumwe bwacu we carry with pride. Ababyeyi banje bavuye mu Rwanda, bambuye amateka umutima urahinduka. Nondi hano ndirimba nishimye, Arsenal yatwaye igikombe sinabibagirwa. This is more than football, it's a family tie. Across the oceans we still fly high. From Emirates Stadium to Kigali Hills, this love for Arsenal, it gives me Arsenal, you made me believe. From London to Kigali, I saw shaka ni wowe. We waited so long, now we finally see igikombe cyaraje. Turi kumwe forever. Oh, Perezida wacu turagushimira. Paul Kagame uri umwe muri twe. You love Arsenal, just like me. That connection means everything. Yeah. From 2004 to now, we rise again. Arsenal forever, Rwanda forever.